Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing a package from Away, and you're gonna think, wow, this is really small luggage, and you would be correct. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it comes with this little dust bag. How adorable. So I've been wanting one of these mini luggage for some time now, and I'm so excited. It was first for sale last year, but it sold out super quickly. So this year, when my friend told me that it's back in stock, I had to order it because I've been wanting this for about a year. And it's a miniature Away luggage. Like, how adorable is this? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So inside, let me open this up for you so you can see. I got the blush pink color, and inside is a little travel kit, essentials travel kit, and it comes with a hair conditioner and Marvis toothpaste, and this is some, I think it's like a tonic. Oh, it's a day cream. It's a day cream. And I think this is the shampoo. Yeah, so this is so cute. Oh, and a field notes notebook. This is so cute. You can put your toiletries in here, and it's a hard case. You can stick it into your luggage when you're traveling. It is adorable. All these things came together in this kit. Unfortunately, now it's sold out again, so I don't know when they're going to offer this again for sale. But if you go to away.com, and you can... Oh, something leaked in there. Oh no. Well, anyways, if you go to away.com, you can check to see when they're going to offer this again. Oh no, this leaked. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you like this videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Designer Hall. See you next time.